Ooh, careful, it's really hot.
You can hear her lecturing my brother.
It's really hot. You're going to burn yourself. That just came out of the oven, I'm telling you. Gotta let it sit for a minute, and then I'll cut it up, okay?
Wait.
I'm filming her.
How skinny his grape is.
There she is. Okay. Let's match with her face. Right behind that plant.
Hey, Mom. Like you time doing something?
What?
Time doing something?
Shut up, Nolan.
Please knock it off. Not when I look like this, please.
She's so conscious about what she looks like. Doesn't matter. I mean, this video is only going on YouTube in front of entire America. No big deal. No, Mother. I'm on YouTube.
Watch this! Watch this! Watch this!
Oh, too bad.
Wrong.
Darn it.
Hey!
I'll show you how it's done. Hey, Nolan.
I'm getting my grape, but he's forced me and stepped on my toe.
This is how it's done. Oh!
Hey, people, watch this!
Want me to teach you how to do it again? Okay, the first time was just practice.
Watch this!
You didn't see that. That's right, you're jealous from my skill. That's pretty good.
Move. Watch this!
Oh!
Move! Watch this!
Ow! Don't fight me.
Hey, Blake, watch this. Blake, go in front of me! Go in front of me. Hey! Go right there!
Wow, no. America's going to be quite surprised at how well you can scream. Beginner's luck. Ow! Just threw this at me. An average pencil can become a projectile weapon.
Hey!
Watch. Told you. Oh! This is my dog. He's in my other videos, but let's see what he does. When?
Hey, Blake, you want to shut that off?
Okay, Mother. Looks like you can't see my dog tonight. Goodbye! Norm, say goodbye.
Goodbye, David!